beneath the sky. Tiny footsteps chase forever, with hope reflected in their eyes.
From the stories passed by generations, from the courage we've always known, every heartbeat starts a journey, every dream begins at home.
No mountain stands too high to climb, no ocean too wide to cross.
Together we become much stronger, turning every fear to hope.
One heartbeat, one dream, one fire burning bright,
One world standing side by side tonight.
Raise your heads
And lift your voices high. Together we can touch the sky.
no matter where we come from, no matter who we are. When our hearts beat as one, nothing is too far.
We rise together. Every scar tells a story written. Every fall becomes a reason to stand. Every tear becomes tomorrow's strength. Every hand reaches for another hand.
The finish line is never the ending, it's another place where dreams begin. Champions aren't born in glory, they're made by never giving in.
Feel the thunder of a million voices, hear the rhythm in the air. Different languages become one chorus, united everywhere. One heartbeat, one dream, one fire burning bright, one world standing side by side tonight. Raise your hands and lift your voices high. Together we can touch the sky.
No matter where we come from, no matter who we are. When our hearts beat as one, nothing is too far.
We rise together.
When the lights grow dim,
And the silence falls,
we remember why we came.
not for trophies,
Not for fame,
but for the moments that unite us.
one heartbeat, one dream, one fire burning bright.
One world shining through the darkest night. Raise your hands and let the whole world sing.
Together anything is everything. One heartbeat, one dream, one future, one team. We will never stand alone. The crowd fades away. The crowd fades away.
The music grows quiet,
But somewhere a child still dares to dream.
and as long as dreams live on, our hearts will beat as one.